Y'all saw the title. That's what we're doing. Like and subscribe. Y'all got this.
This is my super old fridge, and at 3 a.m. it made this noise. And that was it. After some extensive research at 3 a.m., I narrowed down the problem to the compressor start relay and overload. So that's what we're replacing today. Get the model and serial number of your fridge from the side walls or door jamb before you buy parts. Okay, under this covering are the start relay and overload. Use a flathead to gently pop off the covering. When I first looked back there, I was like, ooh, super cute, a polka dot compressor. Then I realized it was dirt and water. So, here's what we're replacing. The start relay and the overload. Use your flathead again to gently loosen and remove the start relay. The start relay jump starts the compressor until it's at running speed. Use your pliers to carefully remove the cables from the prongs. Make sure you take a picture before removing anything to make sure your reconnection is correct. Here's the new start relay, and here's the old one. You hear that rattling? The new one is silent. Now we'll put the cables on the new relay. Now let's remove the overload. The overload shuts off the compressor when it gets too hot to keep it from overheating. Just give it a gentle tug and it'll come off. Use your pliers again to remove the cable. The new one looks slightly different because my fridge is so ancient, but that's the right part. Replace the cable and reinstall the part. Line the pin up with the metal loop on the overload and push it back in place. To replace the relay, line up the two remaining pins with the holes in the relay and push it back in place. Replace the covering and make sure it snaps back in place, and you're done. Now let's have a listen. Yeah, that rumble after the click, that's what you want to hear. That's a sexy sounding old fridge. I'm a cornball. Okay, y'all, like and subscribe for more fixins and leave any questions or comments and fixin' requests below. Love y'all.